Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix OBS Studio lag and stuttering using the best recording settings. Alright, let's begin. First, open OBS Studio. Go to File, then click on Settings, then head to the Output tab. Change output mode to Advanced. Under Streaming, set encoder to NVIDIA NVENC if you have a good GPU. Otherwise, use X264 for CPU encoding. Set rate control to CBR. Use a bitrate of 3500, set keyframe interval to 2, preset to quality or lower if lagging. Now under recording, set format to MP4, encoder to NVENC or X264, rate control to CBR, bitrate to 15,000, and keyframe interval to 2. Next, go to the Video tab. Set base resolution the same as your display and output resolution to 1920 x 1080. Use bilinear downscale filter and set FPS to 60. Lastly, open the Start menu and search for Settings, then open it. After that, search for Graphics Settings and open it. Search for OBS and set it to High Performance. So that's basically how you can fix OBS Studio lag and stuttering. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!